Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your web apps with Heroku, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your web applications on Heroku, start by ensuring you have a secure access setup. Begin by using strong, unique passwords for all your Heroku accounts. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Next, review the permissions of team members who have access to your Heroku apps. Limit access to only those who absolutely need it. Now, focus on setting up secure environments. Use environment variables to store sensitive information like API keys and database credentials. Never hardcode these values into your application. Ensure your Heroku dynos are running on secure, up-to-date stacks. Regularly check for updates and apply them to avoid vulnerabilities. Consider using Heroku's SSL feature to secure communication between your app and users. Enable HTTPS for all your domains to ensure data transmitted is encrypted. Now, configure your application's security headers. Implement content security policy, X-content type options, and HSTS headers. Next, set up your database securely. Use Heroku's free PostgreSQL add-on, which comes with secure connections. Limit database access by using strong credentials and IP whitelisting where possible. Now, focus on monitoring your application for signs of breaches. Utilize Heroku's logging features to keep an eye on traffic and anomalies. Integrate additional monitoring tools for real-time alerts. Consider implementing rate limiting to protect against denial of service attacks. Next, review your code for security vulnerabilities. Use automated tools for static code analysis to identify potential risks. Regularly audit your application's permissions and roles within your codebase. Finally, prepare an incident response plan to test your plan regularly to ensure your team is ready to respond effectively. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your web applications on Heroku. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.